Hi everyone, it's Brian Khatambakhsh here, team lead at Khatambakhsh Real Estate Team, and I'm here with another real estate market update before the numbers comes out of Toronto Real Estate Board. And numbers are very encouraging. So total number of homes sold in February 21 was 47% more than what was sold in February of 2020. And in addition to that, the average prices have gone up by 12.5%. That's astonishing. Now, what's more important going forward is that at the end of February, total number of listings active in the market for sale was 790, and total number of homes that sold were 1020. Guys, this means that we have less than 1 month inventory, and that's why people say this is a seller's market right now, because total number of buyers in the market outweigh the total number of homes that are for sale, and that's why we see all those multiple offers and things like that is happening. So if you're curious about the market, you're planning to sell your home, you don't know how much it's worth, it's gonna worth a lot more than what you think. Like they say, you're richer than you think. That's pretty much like it is. If you'd like to find out, you can call me or text me anytime for free, no obligation discussion about your home. 647-848-2652. Call me and have a fantastic month ahead.